Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, on today's video, it's a recipe video and I'm going to be showing you how I came up with these sesame mahamris. Yeah, so if you're interested, please continue watching and learn how to make this as well. On the ingredients, guys, you're going to need 2 cups of flour. Then over here I have coconut milk. Then I have yeast. You're going to need 1 tablespoon. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. I have 6 tablespoons of sugar. This is cardamom. Over here I have sesame seeds, and you're going to be needing oil as well. So guys, I have made several videos on Mahamri on my channel. This one is a bit different, but the process is the same. So you're just going to mix everything and start kneading your dough until it's soft.
Sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
And over here guys, as you can see, my dough is it's ready and it's soft. So you need it to be soft, not sticky, but just soft. I'm going to put oil on top so that it doesn't dry. Then I'm covering it and letting it rise. Over here guys, my dough is ready. It has proofed and it took about an hour. It usually depends with where you are. Usually if you're in a hot place, it rises a bit quicker, but you can just cover it and keep it in a warm place and that will be okay. So I'm just kneading it for the second time, just a little bit. Then I'm going to put it on my surface, and I'm going to be dividing my dough into small balls. So the amount of flour that I used was 2 cups, and over here it gave me 6 small balls. So it depends with the sizes that you like. If you like bigger ones, it will be less. If you like smaller ones, it can be more. You never know, but just divide them into medium-sized balls. Yeah.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Then you're going to cover them again and let them proof for the second time for about 20 minutes. Then on the next step, this is how they're going to be looking like. So guys, I'm not going to be using all of this. I put some in the fridge and I'm going to put more. I'm just going to be using 2 of them. Remember, you can refrigerate them and you can use them even for another day. And because today we are making sesame mahamris, that's milk, I'm just going to be spreading a bit of it on top so that it can help the sesame seeds stick on top. You can also use water, but I prefer milk. Yeah. You just brush it like that, just a little bit. Don't let it soak. Then next, you're going to take your sesame seeds and you're going to place them on top of your dough. And because you did that with the milk, it's going to help it stick. And that's just what I'm doing at the moment.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
Then guys, after you're done, the next step is to roll your dough. Yeah, just be careful so that it continues to like stick on the inside, just like that. So you just do it like you do the normal mahamri. There's no difference over here. The only difference is that this has sesame seeds on top, but just roll it in a nice round. Make sure it's not too thin like the chapati one. Also make sure it's not too thick.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming.
Then after this guys, you're also going to cover them again for about 5 minutes before you fry them. So guys, when you fry your mahamris, make sure your oil is not too hot and also not cold, you know, just at the middle. Then I like doing this to my mahamris. If you've seen the other videos, I like sprinkling oil on top. It makes them like rise really nicely, and when it has rise on one side, just turn it. Then at this point you're going to let it get the color that you like. Then you're going to turn it on the other side and your mahamris will be ready.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals.
So guys, this is how my sesame mahamris turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you're going to try it. You can have this with tea or coffee. If you get to try it, please tag me on my Instagram at Rania Anwar and let me know how it turned out. Thank you.
Can we see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?